Oh, we've got our work cut out for us. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I love a good vacation prep video, so I'm gonna give you a vacation prep video. As women, we usually have a laundry list of things to do before a trip. Now me, I've always been the biggest advocate for DIY maintenance. I don't want to break the bank before the actual trip. Obviously, this depends where you're traveling to, but for me, a simple beach trip or summer trip, it doesn't take all of that. Honestly, if you got it like that and you have the money to spend, like, I say do it. I love having services done for me. Again, I just don't believe in spending so much money right before the trip. I want to have money to spend on the trip and after. So today's video, we are just going to be doing a little DIY maintenance at home. I am the manicurist, the esthetician, and the facialist. So here are the things we're tackling. I need to do my nails, toes, and fingers, my brows, because don't be fooled by this makeup. They're rough. Also, I need to do an everything shower where I just shave everything, wash down everything. And the braids are finished, but I do need to add some more curly pieces in just to finish it off. I'd say we're 95% done with the hair. And lastly, I need to go through and like put all my outfits together. If you guys could see my floor right now, everything is just sitting in a big heap. I need to pick out my outfits. I'm that type A personality. Not only do I want my outfits picked out, I want my accessories picked out. I don't want to have to worry about that on the trip. I'm very much wake up and I know what fit I have, or I have options. So that's what we're getting into today. Like I said, this is not going to be perfect by any chance, but we're going to save buku money, and I'm not too shabby. The DIY girlies are on the rise. So I have pretty much had eyebrow blindness for a while now, or I think I've grown out of it a little bit, but it still gets shaky. I feel like when I stain my brows, I can get like a really nice like model-esque like no. I really like how her eyebrows look. I think I'm not ready for that because that's so extreme, and I think to get that look, I might have to shave my brows a little. We're just going to the beach, so I don't need anything crazy, but I want my brows to be darker. When I go to the beach, I plan to wear little to no makeup, so I like my brows to be done and a nice lip gloss on, and I'm a-okay. We're gonna be using this Just For Men darkest brown. There's our mixture. You don't need a lot. And this isn't gonna last forever, but I love going on vacation with my brows already tinted a little bit. One less thing to worry about, because when I'm on vacation, I don't want to fill in my eyebrow. I like wearing makeup on vacation, but at the same time, I'm very much like beach, no makeup, just live your life. Also, my face always gets sun breakouts and stuff, so I'm not heavy on like doing a full face. I'll probably do that maybe once. Mixture made. I always let it set for a little bit so I can get as dark as possible, and then we're gonna start. With me, it's very simple. I follow the natural shape of my brows. I try to make it as thin and as tiny as possible, just making it uniform. Now I literally just go where the hairs are and highlight everything, and it's just gonna tint it, make it dark. Remember, this is gonna get lighter over time. I feel like I keep needing to say that, but okay, we're gonna let this dry and set. I usually leave it on for probably way longer than the recommended. I think the recommended is like 7 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes. I'll leave mine on for like 30 minutes, like dye. But while that's dyeing, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my hair because we're not done with her. So let's move on to hair. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the hair fully. I'm referring to this as my Zoe Kravitz hair. I feel like she coined the knotless braids, but specifically like the boho, really boho. Let me show you what it looks like so far. Originally, when I finished them, they were just supposed to be regular box braids, but I just thought they were so boneless. They just look really tiny. But my goal for right now is I'm gonna add in pieces, maybe a few more up top here. It looks like from the back. So you can use any type of curly hair to do boho braids. Again, if you want that Zoe Kravitz look where it's like, they're curly, but more like wavy. It's like wavy boho, very loose curls. Then I would get this. It's Milky Way Human Hair Master Mix. And this is Breezy Wave Bulk. what we're going for. I can't wait to do hairstyles with it. It's pretty all the way down, but I always love to do hairstyles too. I'm not at the stage yet where I was like, I want to do mousse, but I kind of don't want to put anything in it right now. Mousse is nice, but mousse can get a little sticky sometimes, so. Like this, but I think they look so pretty. Okay, let's wipe these off before. Here is our after. Very simple, very simplistic. I'm gonna be extra and put some oil on my brows because why not? And these are only gonna basically lift as the days go by, so they are super dark now, but they will definitely lighten. Just a lot better, a lot more full, for sure. It's a successful night. Okay, next phase. This is like the most fun part to me, is picking out our fits. I have somewhat of a system where I have the ideas, or I have 5% of the outfit idea. I have it in my mind what I want to wear, or like what the pieces I want to bring are, and I have to put that all together. I take this very serious. Part of me is like, you're on vacation, wear whatever you want, like don't stress about outfits. That's why I pick out all of my outfits in advance, down to the earrings, bracelets, everything. So when I'm actually on vacation, I can just throw it on and not have a thought in the world. Even match up my hair. Cute hair ideas that are gonna pair with these outfits. So it's a whole system. And people, I do this because I like it. If you're not one of those people who cares about what they're wearing and all that, there's a simplified version of this, which is t-shirts, leggings, and shorts, which will do just fine. But I feel like I don't really get to dress up too much nowadays and go out. Like, so when we do go on vacation, we always have at least 2 or 3 nights where we dress up, get fancy, get some cute pics. So that's what we're gonna do today. But it's only 7:20, so I've got time. So I'm gonna pack and then do my nails because I still haven't done that. We're basically gonna be gone for 3 days, so I want 3 outfits for the days, like night outfits to wear out, and then 3 day outfits slash beach transition. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I also want to show you guys like the setup, what we're working with, so you can see what I see. Okay, first fit. This is cute. I like this for just walking around, like more casual. I feel like I'd wear this to the beach and then go on the boardwalk after. Some cute sunnies, possible purse. Like this is just very traditional beach, easy. Walk to the beach in this, hang out after, get cute pics. I also love this, like the little drop-off sleeve. But would this be cute with some kitten heels is my question. About shoes too. Outfit 1, easy, secured. And because I plan to wear this to the beach, I guess I don't really have any flip-flops. I mean, I have some. I need to consider what sandals I'll wear with this. But I do have some white sandals, so maybe I'll just keep it cohesive with the white. I think I'm going to use this. I'm gonna try, my parents got me this for my birthday because I'm notorious for carrying like 500 bags with me when I travel. So they're like, this is a nice little, this is kind of like a carry-on. I'm gonna try and see how much I can fit in here. I have bigger suitcases. It's the beach. The outfits are bikinis and tank tops, so it cannot take up that much space, right? This yellow number. This is gonna be a dinner fit for sure. This one is easy. I don't have to do a whole lot of pairing. With it. We love a yellow color. I feel like it's coming off a little white on camera, but it's just like this really like ducky yellow. That's what I would describe it as. And I love that the back is out. A good back out moment. And then with the string, like we can get even this pose, hit it. It's like vacation heels. I'm gonna wear these regardless. I'm just figuring out which outfit I'm gonna wear it with. I do love a good platform moment. I just feel like I never know when to wear these heels. I feel like every time I put them on, there's like another pair of shoes that go better. This is a note for me. I need more heels. So look the best with the fit. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with these heels. But I feel like I should put my hair up so you can see the full like back. So this may be like an up. Okay, I'm debating earrings. I could do these or I could do these. Which I do like a nice block. I feel like that's different. I think I'm gonna do these chunky ones and then have my hair like in a bun or something. So that way the earrings and the dress can kind of be the focal point. So pretty plain dress. I'm still deciding and debating on what shoes to put with this. Basic sundress. Like dresses like this are easy because it's just like, it's one piece, it's classy. And then these earrings. So the earrings are the focal point. I'll have a braid, I'll have this long dress on, and then I guess I'm just deciding on what shoes to wear with it. I like this purse. I bought this one from H&M, which I think is really cute. It's kind of tan, cute. I'm matching this but with my face beat. I kind of want to do special makeup with this outfit because it's so plain. I feel like I need to do like eyeshadow or something. Okay, I have these tan platforms. I don't know, is that too much tan going on? Tan overload. Okay, so this one is a strong contender. It's just like a plain orange dress. I'm not crazy about it, but I do like how it feels and I like the straps and everything. So I feel like this is just a really simple, easy alternate to bring. And then I could even bring like a belt to go with it. Like that's kind of cute. Wait, do I actually want to bring this as a... But this will go in my TBD pile because, again, this will just be an alternate. I don't see myself wearing it, but it could also be like an easy alternate. I just love a nice long skirt, so I figured like I could wear a long skirt with just my bathing suit top, so I'm going to bring this. Just this long white skirt. It's pretty lightweight. Okay, one of my streetwear looks was ideally these glasses. And then this little tank top, and then these pants, which kind of, they're like low rise, like very comfortable, casual look. I think it's really cute. And then I was gonna pair it with these earrings, which I don't know though, I just feel like little details, they make such a huge difference, and it just like feels good to know like you have little details on. No shade, it's just like fun. Yeah, this is a really simple, cute outfit, and I'm gonna bring a pair of my flats. I'll probably pair these flats with it. And I think I'll bring this purse to wear. Next, we're gonna tackle nails. Nail polishes. This is gonna be the general consensus for the toes. And then these are our fingernails. So I went ahead and picked out my favorite ones. These are all the extras. To make life easier on myself, I went ahead and matched each one to my fingers, so they're already pretty much shaped. So we're gonna do our fingernails and then our toenails. I think I'll do my toenails first. You know, we had to do the everything shower to end off our DIY maintenance. And everything shower is just what it says. It's you shaving everything. You're going to use your body scrubs. You may do a little face mask. We're adding all the oils. We're doing the lip mask. Me personally, I'm going to put on some relaxing music, get my vibes right, get my bathroom the color I want it, and just kind of do everything I need to do and hunker down before the trip. These are my packed bags. Like, y'all, what's happening? I would think I'm leaving for like a few months, but whatever. Bag 1, bag 2, purse for the road, heated blanket. We don't play around here. But everything's packed up, concealed into these 2 bags. I have all of my jewelry in a smaller bag within the bag. Bathing suits and shoes are in this one, and then clothes are in this one. And then I have another bag inside of the bag for my toiletries, makeup, all that good stuff. And then lastly, so this is my car ride outfit. I told you guys, I'm type A personality. I'm go with the flow, but I like my stuff picked out. So I just did a tube top, shorts, this little ballerina slip top. It's like a jacket almost, but something to go on my sleeves in case I get cold. And just this maroon baseball cap. And I think I'm gonna wear these earrings.